Welcome to Devlog Nummer 3. This one took a while to produce because I'm lazy. But there's no need to worry because I'm already working on the next update. Some of the time that I've been working on the update has been going into planning the project out. That means I already planned how the combat system is gonna work, how the story is gonna play out, and also created an annual plan for my project. When developing my own game, I realized that making design decisions is actually pretty daunting. This was probably because I only had a very vague idea of how the game was supposed to look like. But I set out to create some key features I wanted to have in my game so I could orient myself after those. This might not seem very significant, but for me personally, the process of creating characters, stories and gameplay got a lot easier for me after that. I think that was mostly because I was overwhelmed with the artistic freedom I got by developing a game all by myself. So I can just advise anyone who is making his own, not only video game, but any kind of art. Try to find a clear definition of what you actually want and then try to stick to that. So that was enough talking, let's get into the game. As you can now see, we have a main menu, triangle, and we have an options menu. And you know what? The sliders actually work. That's because I added a system in this update which is called the variable change system. It is able to pick up on variable changes and run certain scripts which are bound to these variables. And when entering the game you can see that I added small animations for the player and also included a few testing rooms to test out the new features. I also worked on the possibility to switch between rooms because doing that before was a huge pain. But that was well worth it, because now I'm able to implement doors and pathways to move the character between rooms. I also implemented a save file, which holds all the important data for your current playthrough. You can simply save your data by talking to these weird angel looking things. So yeah, that was it for the current devlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and the next devlog will be coming out soon. It will include a font rendering system, an introduction for the combat system, and a gameplay teaser. So, see you next time. Ciao ciao!